Mbofu uyaphila mfowethu.
Ngixolise mfowethu ngisuke ngagibela itekisi elislowly uSA Link ukusuka leGoli wangibambezela waba late uyabona nje ngeke ngiphinde ngiyenze lento kodwa ke mfowethu ngiyaxolisa kakhulu ngicela ulamukele uxolo lami.
Ngiyalamukela kakhulu Mbofu mfowethu uxolo lwakho nami ngivele ngabambeka ngisenje sengiyekhaya ngafica itraffic ngaphoqelele ukuthi ngibuyele ngihambe ngocupha ehotela ukuze ngizokwazi ukuthi ngihloniphe isimeme esikhulu kangaka mfowethu.
Mfowethu, two questions. Sihle Mavuso, the brand journalism industry, I believe uzosinika just a brief background, but it's not about you today. It's about the work you do. Kodwa i-brand uSihle Mavuso, it's bigger than some well-established media houses. Wena uMandla Chris masiza nje entweni eyithinta ama-current affairs. Ngeke mangabe uSihle Mavuso akayikhiphile cishe isuke saseyifake. Nathi ngala sifike ku clean governance sina silwa nenkohlakalo kuhulumeni. Asikucacise lokho, we are not contesting your space. Mina ngisuke ngifuna isela. Yabona emakuthiwa lapha kumasipala eThekwini kuno 36 million isibonele ngizenzani. Engizwayo ukuthi wasebenza ngendlela engafanele ingilandela wona mina. Ngisho ukuthi cha uSihle Mavuso bamnikile ingcenye. Phela. Yeah, Baba Mavuso. Just a brief one. Ubani Baba Mavuso? Uhlangana phi nento journalism?
Ake ngiyibeke kanje Somashi ngisuka ku Dene Journalism. Ngaqala ngo-2006 ngisase Swazini ngibhala kakhulu nje politics. Kwahamba ngeminyaka yo-2009-10 kwaba nehiqi Swazini ngagcina ke sengixoshiwe ngaze ngazohlala la eThekwini ngako kona lokuthi ngangafuna uncetheza kodwa ke ngagcina sengihambile ngaphelela la eThekwini. Ngafika ke la eThekwini ngasebenzela elinye iphepha okuthiwa iTaxi Indaba lalapha eCommercial City nakhona lalidila nomasipala. Kuhambe kwahamba ikhono lami lanothiswa enye indoda yaseKenya eyayilecturisha eDUT yayijwayele nje ukulandela umsebenzi wami. Yase yangirecommenda ke yathi ngihambe ngeNew Age yakhuluma nabaphathi bakhona ukuthi khona umuntu engizolethela yena. Ngahamba ke ngeNew Age ngasebenza eNew Age ke kusuka 2011 yaze yavala ngo-2018 June. 2019 February I got an offer independent IOL. Ngasebenza khona ke kwazi kwaba saxabana nabo ngo-2023 ngoNovember. Bekhumbula ke ingxabano yethu ukuthi isenkantolo eyasuka ngenkathi bethi angeke ukubhala ngenkohlakalo ka-ANC ngoku-ANC uyabasiza kulezi inkinga zabo zamabhani. Kodwa ke ngeke ngande kakhulu ngalolo daba ngoba amaphepha lawa asenkantolo bengikhanje phezulu into esenkantolo efungene. La
u-IOL incase nje ukuthi sithi u-IOL The Star nani?
The Star, Pretoria News, Cape Town, Cape Argus, Cape Times, bese kuthi la KwaZulu Natal ba-ona Isolezwe, Mercury, Daily News, Sunday Tribune. Bese kuthi Northern Cape ba-ona i-DFA, i-Diamond Field Advertising. Yes.
All right. Isikhondla lesi sikhuluma ngaso esasithi ungabhali ngenkohlakalo eyenziwa yiqembu ekade liyisikhondla nale selifadabele ngoba ngifuna ukusho mangifadabele ukhongolose sekuyipast. Yeah, qhubeka mfowethu.
Ngeke sigxile kakhulu kuloko ngoba izinto ezisenkantolo bengisho nje kusemaphepheni. They are defending their matter and then we'll just get isikhathi and then deal with it. Kutheke mase kuqala lapho ngahamba ke kwaba khona ongitshena nje wathi wemfoka Mavuso kungakusiza ukuthi uyisebenzele uyimele ngoba wena into uthanda ukisho njengoba injalo. Ngase ngiyaqala ke ngayisebenza ke safula le project osuyibona namhle ekuthiwa iKZN Tonight podcast. Leya project ke leya soma ngashi iyahlekisa indaba yayo ngoba saqala ukuyiconceptualize noKini Shandu ngo-2019 ngoJanuary. Ngibuya nje holiday sayiconceptualize siloko siyifine tuna sithe mase siyiqala ngabona sekune propaganda sekuthiwa i-project ye-IFP or i-project kaThamindo ngathi mina kanjani ngoba phela le project lena nje i-project eqalwe 2019 inama demo inayo yonke into. Kodwa ke akungithusanga lokho wena Somahashi ngoba uwazi kupolitiki ukuthi makhona into ishoyo engathandwa umbofu kufanele kube khona akunameka ngawo athi hey ubani ukuthi kodwa ke angikho lapho we soldier on namhla i-aim yami noma nje mangivuka njalo ekuseni mina it is to make this country South Africa a better place. Nginezathu zokuthi why South Africa should be a better place. South Africa is an anchor economy in Southern Africa. If ukhuluma nge-economy yaseLesotho, it is anchored around South Africa. Ikhuluma nge-economy yaseSwaziland, it is anchored around South Africa. That's why imali zakhona, ama-currencies zakhona, they are linked to Iran. You go to Namibia, they are also anchored around the economy of South Africa. Lesotho, I mean Botswana, Zimbabwe, all these countries. So if South Africa fails, it does not ayifeyili la kuphela ningixolele ngomsindo kusendaweni nje kodwa ke mayifeyila ayifeyili la eSouth Africa kuphela kufeyila eAfrica yonke. Hence I am concerned about the direction that South Africa is taking, because South Africa is becoming another African country whereby ama-politicians they get rich ukudlula i-state noma umasipala basuke bekona ngaleso sikhathi. That's my biggest worry. That's why I've said I'm prepared to fight this fight here corruption to the very end. Even if I have to pay a price, ngempilo yami, I am prepared to fight this battle, because it is not about Sihle Mavuso and his family or his ego. It is about the many South Africans out there who have no other place they call home except South Africa. It is about the many economies around the African continent that are anchored around the South African economy.
Umbuzo ozolandela mfoka Mavuso ngiyakuzwa awusuneminyakana uhlele ekhaya kodwa ngikubona ucwazimula kusho ukuthi awubekabekile izihlanu noma njoba kuthiwa iproject ye-IFP kukhona mhlawumbe onsumbulwana obacoshayo kuyona.
Cha ekanjena wena Mbofu iqiniso lithi mina ngazi kudala ukuthi i-IOL izongixosha ngo-2021 ngoNovember kwaba ne-meeting yama political reporters e-IOL. Aba-editors akhona athi i-ANC ngo-2022 izosupporta i-campaign kaDr Zweli Mkhize. I was the first one kuleyo meeting leyo engaphambisisana la ngathi ngeke kuze kwenzeke lokho ngoba uma uyi-journalist you are not there to support ama-campaign abantu abangani bakho. We are there to report ukuthi ubani soyenzeni whether ubani uyathanda lokho noma akakuthandi. So then ngo-2021 November they started targeting me looking for something abazoyisebenzisa ukungixosha. I-campaign team kaZweli Mkhize started the smear campaign, they started insulting me and everything. So from there I started ukubeka amasende ukuthi kukhona isikhathi esinzima esizayo manje. Two, enye imfihlo engihlezi ngitshena abantu, there is a lot of money on social media. I make a lot of my income through freelancer like for amaphepha afana no Sunday World or African Times or Inside Politics or Scroll Africa. I also make a lot of money on Twitter. Every fortnight I get paid by Twitter, and every 3 weeks I get paid by Facebook. And if you look at my social media platforms, I also use them to advertise. Roughly on a monthly basis, I do generate advertising revenue around 11 to 12,000. So that's a lot of money. So basically what I'm trying to say is that there's absolutely no need for us to be funded outside when we can self-fund, as long as we have the model. And the ukhozi nje lokubhala indaba uyabona i-aim yami nje mina ngihlezi ngithi ngifisa ukuthi nginike umuntu I mean ama-South Africans indaba every 30 minutes. Mawuthi ungena ku-timeline yami ufice kunendaba entsha. That's my aim. That's it. I'm worried about those issues. So propaganda and fake news ukuthi podcast yethu it is funded by IFP. We have nothing to do with the IFP or any other political party. This project sayiqala ngo-2019 isinokini ishandu. Sasilokhu nje siyimodela up until we said no.
I'm sure you've seen it. Ubaba uMike Mabuyakhulu onecashaza lenkohlakalo ya 28 million. Ubuyile uANC uthi utholakala ngenacala kodwa 28 million awukho. Right? I'm talking about that's ANC. Sabona lapha yaku IFP sezwa kancane eyibethi benyakazisa indaba kaPremier kwathiwa ngazi 2015 ingane yesikole kwenzekani so let me just hear on those two things luthini uvo lwakho kuzona zombili
ake ngibele ku-ANC kule RTT yakhona. It's a very interesting RTT leya. Ake sikubeke eceleni nje lokho uma beyakhulu unale chashaza lela 28 million we-jazz. Ukhumbule lelo cala lelo lisenkantolo yiko ngafuna isikhuluma ngalo kakhulu. I-NPA iyaphila ifuna ukulivusa lelo cala, so singakhuluma ngalo kakhulu, ake silinde nje inkantolo. Kodwa ke RTT yabo i-strong uma ubheka ukuthi ifake abantu abafana noJames Nxumalo, abantu ongeke uze ubasole ndawo kulezi zinto zenkohlakalo. And number 2, kube strategic move ukuthi bayitrim le RTT yabo bayisuse ku68 bayibabe ku36. Uyabona maseni baningi endlini kube sakusasebenze ngoba manifuna nithatha isinqumo, you have to consult each and every person, and bese kwakheka lento yama faction tholethi kukhona umuntu osenabantu bakhe ethi makuya ku meeting nje uvela athi khulunywa athi ayakuvotweni. So benze into enhle lento ukuthi bayinciphise. 2, benze into enhle bafaka abantu abafana noJames Nxumalo ngoba uJames Nxumalo akanalo ichashaza. 3, benze kahle ukuremove uJeff Hadebe ukuthi abe convene. Iqiniso lithi uJeff Hadebe owakamazi ngazi ngisho ekhaya kubo mina, kodwa uma udlula lapha ekhaya kubo ayikho indlu ongakuyikhombe yakhe. uJeff Nxumalo ayimshinetheni neKwaZulu Natal except ihistory yakhe ukuthi wakamashu nokuthiwa kwaseva eSouthern Natal kudala. So a lot has changed in the past 32 years.
Siyathemba uzobuya kodwa zingane zakwethu sibambile la kwa clean governance. Angazi ukuthi uthini siyabingelela ku panel yathi ke uyaphela. Sithemba uzobuya umfoka Mavuso. Buya baba Mavuso. Sicela ubuye bo. Right. Buya. Besingakaqedi. Right. Right. Zingane zakwethu, it is indeed a very tough year. We are seeing right. Baba Umavuso. Yeah, ngiyabonga nami weFanusi, Don Fanusi, awusoma tot Italian. Come stai? Bene. Usoma tot per Italian leli. Musana miyekeni ubaba Mavuso. Engena baba Mavuso umakhuzwayo. Wemakhuzwayo uthi noma bangafaka bani ukuliphi iqembu wena Makhuzwayo? Makhuzwayo ukuliphi iqembu yena njengoba ethi asingene thina mfowethu Mavuso. I'll send you an invite again. Nali Rasta wewe mfoka Nkosi Rastafari. Ngifuna nje umtshela yodwa ngizothiwa ngibopha umacingwana nimshaye nifuna imiliyoni kuyena ni-EFF. Okay, Baba Mavuso. Yes, you were still trying to clarify the position of the PTT of the ANC in your view.
Yeah, ungixolele mfethu kufele nje kwaba nophixixi la kodwa ke seku right manje. So in my view iPTT bengithi igood. Ngiyakhumbula nje ukuthi bengisakhuluma ukuthi ino Super Zuma organizer noma uhead of ama elections. uSuper Zuma ke ugood kulezi zinto zokuorganize. Uyamkhumbula ukuthi wakwaba unobhala nosihlalo waseMozambique. Leya region yakhula ngesikhathi sakhe. Okusho ukuthi unali ikhono. Number 2, uno deputy wakhe okusizophila Mkhize. Well, mina naye uSizophila Mkhize, we can differ on any other issues personally, the propaganda yakhe I pursue against me, but I cannot take away the fact that good in terms of mobilize youth and good in terms of articulating issues and good to defend the ANC when it is under attack. You need a leader like that omayo entweni akholelwa kuyona. So iPTT yabo is strong and ngiphinde ngabuka futhi nama regions. Mawubheka kuma regions bacishe bazama nokufaka abantu aba strong lapha kuma regions ngoba ungasebenza eprovincini but mawungakasebenza kuma region nama branches usahlale lo umsebenzi omningi. So mina nje ngithi thumbs up singakunaka kakhulu lokho mabe yakhulu sekuyodilwa inkantolo lo sekuyodila nabo inkantolo.
But umbuzo wami uthi iANC in Gauteng province did the same. It removed kade ngingakutholi sengifake nansi insizwa yeEFF ngizodila nayo masu usuhambele. Right. Umbuzo wami ke uthi kuwena baba Mavuso eGauteng province bashaye uTK phela uPanyaza wabuya, who was the chairperson, right, who was rightfully elected. Now remember KZN itheme khona but dispande uDuma noMtolo.
Yeah.
And I still try to figure out why were those political leaders disbanded. Nobody can give a concrete decision because you cannot merely say ANC ayenzanga kahle KwaZulu-Natal while ingezanga kahle nationally, because the ANC was supposed to disband itself nationally first.
I-argument yami ithi ANC, the reason why they decided to disband KwaZulu-Natal, it was because oDuma noMtolo, they were very reckless during their term and bakha lento yokuthi kubantu bafaka lesithombe sothi ANC arrogant ayinandaba nabantu. 2, mangabe ANC idliwa KwaZulu-Natal ubowa izobe sisule sidliwe na national. So abe national leadership ishilda ngokuthi ithi thina siwenzile umsebenzi wethu national but la sifesali mala khona silenyazwela amablanda nonini abantu bakwaZulu-Natal noma leadership yakwaZulu-Natal enwenze kubantu bakwaZulu-Natal ngenkathi nikhuzwa ngendaba yesilo, nikhuzwa ngendaba kaShembe, nikhuzwa nangendaba kaZuma, niphinde nikhuzwa ngendaba yokuhambeni to abantu esihlangalaleni. So isona sizathu lese senza ukuthi bathi sizondisbanda nina but ngeke thina siyidisbande national. Cela ukuphendula.
Then Gauteng province, why was Gauteng disbanded?
Ngicela ukuphendula ke leka TK. Issue ka TK, it was a preemptive strike. Uyokhumbula ukuthi uTK Ncinza uyathindeka kulezi zinto lezi ze record company yabo no DJ Sibule ebenefita ikakhulu elokhu nje ekuruleni nakuphezulu. So one of the reasons why they decided ukuthi uTK angabuyi, they knew long ago ukuthi at some point ama shenanigans akhe they will come to buy the party. Upanyaza lefufi ama blunders akhe awashayayo. Ushaya lamablanda political yabo lento ukuthi uyakhuluma kwenza inkulumo reckless ungaqondile like ukuthi nami lento yamanzi yang affect, that's why nama ngabe nginike amanzi ambe geze hotel. It was a reckless statement wayengaqondile. Awekho lamaphutha akhe worse than lawa OTK ngoba mawubheka OTK ubona ama fingerprints abo kuma government department regarding amathenda, ubona ama fingerprints abo komasipala, wabona kuma artist, wabona nakwezinye izinto eziseceleni zabo SABC. Hence they decided ukuthi no, we cannot afford to bring this one. Remember ukuthi iGauteng neKwaZulu-Natal, these are dynamic provinces. Ama voters akhona when they tell you ukuthi we are going to punish you, ngokhetho elithile, they are going to punish you. They've said they are going to punish the ANC right now. My elections are November 4 in KwaZulu-Natal, and I think they are going to do that. So ANC, it was trying to remove all those people. That's why in KwaZulu-Natal, uBheki Mtolo bafele bamdimotha waba junior member of the PTT. Ngoba in part onke lamablanda lawa enziwa ANC KwaZulu-Natal, abantu abebamba phambili kwakuba uBheki Mtolo noSiboni Soduma. Bamcashisela lapha ngemva akabonakala. Abantu abaprominent kule PTT umabe yakhulu noNcumalo uJames uzobe sekuba uspokesperson uSifiso Sonjinga.
Okay. Now the next question. The ANC is sitting with the biggest blunder, the president and Phalaphala. Then masekuba unobhalo khona engicabanga ukuthi uyena uvela khuluma ukudlula the former chairperson wase Gauteng province vela khulume nje uMbalula naye futhi ebenephungana elimthintayo esase uminister wamaphoyisa naku kuyavela ukuthi wahamba wayokhokha u300,000 ayewudla eungqumuze eDubai wayokhokha cash. So what I'm saying is akwenzekeli lutho ngabo. Are they more ANC than these ones from KZN and from Gauteng province?
Kukhona into engicela ukutshela yona Mbofu engayifunda around 2015 ngangifundakala koGoli ngenza i-digital and financial journalism. Abantu baseGoli do know ukuthi bane perception yokuthi if uMzulu uyi-ANC we are just pretending kahle kahle wena uyinkatha. So yeah, i-perception yabo nje eGoli nje mawukhuluma isiZulu mina I had to explain to them ukuthi actually I'm not even Zulu, I'm Swazi, but mawukhuluma isiZulu nje kubona uyinkatha yabo. So into yenza ukuthi basinde o Ramaphosa nobanibani noMbalula kuzo zonke lezo zinto lezo, it is because they believe ukuthi bona they are bigger than the brand. In fact, they believe that they are the brand itself, so they can deal with others but bona ngeke baze ama issues abo azalungu. So remember ukuthi bona baphethe power right now. Yiko nje uRamaphosa anga prosecutor for iPhalaphala noMbalula istate singafuni kumprosecutor kulento yakhe yase Dubai ngoba basasabela lento ukuthi usangathi amprosecute uMbalula futhi sasa ese-electwe so-president. Leya position yokuba u-president, it comes with immense power. That's why abantu abafana noDonald Trump bafuna ukufela kuyona ngoba mawukuba u-president uyakwazi nokuvala izinto zakho ukuthi mayithi khona okuphenyayo ukuthi awuyibambe kancane mfana lapha, awuyibambe kancane kamfana lapha. So to cut a long story short, ANC animal farm, ANC animal farm, some animals are more important than others.
Asidlulele kwi-IFP ukhetho oluhlehliselwe next year uNgoja ungathi cha usasinda. Unfortunately yena is not wielding power like the late leader uMntwana wakwaPhindangene. Bayasi-challenge isihlalo sakhe. Do you see uMphemba mhlambe elalisa nebandla lakhe basasifuna lesihlalo sikamongameli ka-IFP?
Angazi noma wemsomashi irekhodekile enlabe ngiphendula khona indaba kaNtuli nezingane zesikole ngo2015 ngoba bengajabula ukuthi mangabe ngaphendulekanga ngiphinde ngibele kuyona ibe on record, bangathi bekuhlangene uSomahashi noMavuso bakhuluma ngeANC bayiyeke indaba ze-IFP. Angazi noma iphendulekile yini ikhona on record.
Cha, ungakayiphenduli.
Okay, ubuyele ukangibuza umbuzo lana ngendaba ukuthi uNtuli uvela kuleli phunga lezingane ngo2015 asawu principal. Ulwazi enginalo lapho lu limited, hence i-comment yami izoba limited. Lolo daba lolo ngalibona kancane, ngilibona lalibhalwe futhi ngicabanga ukuthi iphephandaba iba yede. Yalibhala futhi isebenzekile emva kwesikhashanyana. Lwaphinde lwadlula. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi walungisa yena kodwa ngingazi ukuthi lumele. Kodwa ke sizokhumbula ukuthi naye upolitiki futhi elinye iqiniso kufanele singala avoid. I-IFP nama-factions, ama-factions anzima afana nawe-ANC kuno-K boba noma nama-Triple K no-AU kanjalo nabanye ne-Youth League yakhona, mini Youth Brigade nama-divisions. So time and again mangabe kunento kanjalo njengaleyo izohamba ivuke leyo ndaba. I think yena into eyomsiza kuleyo ndaba leyo kuyoba ukuthi nje aphumele obala akhiphe istatement esicacile abe on record ukuthi kunama allegations athile, this is what transpired mangabe khona yenzeka or athi this is fake news. So okwamanje nje ngizocabanga sithathe njengalawa ama allegations. Ngicela ke sibuyele kule umbuzo bese ubuza manje lo number 2 lo uNgoja we are survive. How uzo survive uNgoja? I think powerful. Ngeke basamthinda. I always tell people ukuthi ku-Government of National Unity ne-GP KwaZulu-Natal neyase-Gauteng, the biggest winner was the IFP. KwaZulu-Natal, they got the province, no MEC about 4 or 5 plus 3. They also Gauteng got the MEC. National, they got the minister about 2, no deputy minister about 2. Uhlabisa wafela wathola a very strategic position. Wathola isikhundla sakaCokt. Now sinike ipower enzima kakhulu, ipower yokudila nomasipala. So bonke labantu abebeka amasipala, abaphethe omasipala bebethi bazama ukumvukela noma bazama ukumendela. Seba realize ukuthi uhlabisa uphethe ipower manje. Uma ubheka nje uzobona ukuthi bonke abantu ababesayinele ya petition eyichitha uhlabisa sebangakena manje sebalandela yena ibona abasebemcula okusho ukuthi uhlabisa use strong manje leya position yakho ukuthi imnike ipower. And then number 3, uMnumzane Thami Ntuli has always been on record saying akana intention of contest i-position kaHlabisa and ucomfortable ku-province. And I think ikhona interview engayenza naye la khona confirm la ukuthi vele ngeke aza contest. Kodwa ngizosho into naye ngeke size into ethi show Ntuli siyithathe as the gospel truth. Remember ukuthi kuma political parties kunabantu ababa ama-factionals noma ama-factionalist noma labantu abalandela abahola abathile kubona kuyaba benefits amangabe kulwa uNtuli noHlabisa ngoba it creates a opportunity for them. So asazi sesiyobona mangabe sekuyiwa ku elective conference yabo ya next year, but nayo leyo elective conference leyo angiboni ukuthi izohlala ngaphandle kwehibe ngoba sefele sekuqalile kuneyinkinga kuma district nakuma regions, I mean nakuma branches noma la abathi amaziko ka-FP ngoba kubangwa ipower yomasipala. Abanye bafuna ukuba amakhansela, abanye bafuna ukuba imeya kanjalo. So amanxeba azodalwa ukuthi abanye bagcine bangabi imeya namakhansela azobanga kapholi ngalo match abawubeki element ukuthi banga conference.
Asikhulume nge-NFP, National Freedom Party. Nangu Mama Ushinga ubona ukuthi will NFP stand a chance? Is there a future for NFP in KZN politics?
Yeah, indeed there is a future. Why undermine NFP kakhulu ophethwe nomasipala? Remember ukuthi ophethwe nomasipala abantu bakhetha umuntu abamazi. NFP is strong ngala koZululand noNgoma, Vryheid, eDumbe, that's why inamakhansela iziphethe nabanye omasipala. So ungayi undermine okhethwe nomasipala kodwa la ngibona khona umngozi angibaboni bebuya nesihlalo ngo2029 kuma provincial and national elections. Angibaboni ngoba kwasona lesihlalo lesabasiphethe lesi basithola hayi ngomcacamezelo. So njengoba beqhubeka nje balwa kanjena angiboni ukuthi kukhona abazobuya nawo kodwa cha emakhanseleni basazoqhubeka nje babe namakhansela kulonyaka lo basazoba namakhansela nango20 ukhetho elandelayo kanjalo 2031 ngeke kuze kushintshe lokho. In fact mina nje mangibuka bayoba namakhansela up until 2040 bayobe balokubana even though uthola ukuthi nje sebene cancel ele 1-2 kanjalo kodwa bona they will still survive.
The most losing party currently in KwaZulu-Natal, the Economic Freedom Fighters, lidwa ubaba uJulius Malema oqeda ukhixabezwa ngesigwebo. Nangu sizwile ukuthi ubopha umfoka kaMchulu ungezwe. Yes, uthini wakho umbono ngayo nayo iphethwe ubuholo bangena ngomnyango ongemuva ngoba ubuholo babukade bukhethiwe obabukade bunonjabulo ngubane badonsela ucarpet.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ngeke baze bawuthande lo mbono lona kodwa ke phela asizele ukuzothandwa ngisho nje lento siyibona ngale ndlela yayo sekaba kuwena ethu thina i-EFF befanele inuka amakhwapha kakhulu KwaZulu-Natal. Bazokhumbula ukuthi KwaZulu-Natal abanayo iward abake bayiwina banama PR and mangibheka azoncipha lama PR abanawo ikakhulu nje komasipala abafana neTheku komhlathuze komsunduzi. Vele ke lemakhaya le koZululand nje bebevele benama PR mhlawumbe angawa nga2 ngenzeka nje uthethe eZululand bazosala no1 nako Vryheid basale no1 ziwuthuka izinto ezimaza kakhulu i-EFF. Uyabona udaba labantu bokufika amangabe ungafuna ubona ukuthi wena unombono ohlukile ubona zibo ungalikhuluma ngoba mawuwalukhuluma luqhatha nabantu bakwaZulu-Natal lokhu ke okokuxabana nongizwe ethi usebopha ungizwe sekumbangeleka amazinyo ebushelelezi kakhulu ngoba abantu impela ngeke baze bayikhohlwe leyo. Khumbula ukuthi ongizwe manje sebayiface yokulwa nama illegal immigrants sebayiface yale mbile naso mawubopha ungizwe uthinta bona abantu bakwaZulu-Natal. 2 EFF icishine constituency efanayo ne MK party. Now kwafele kwafika MK party yagwinya abantu ku IFP, yagwinya abantu ku ANC, yagwinya abantu ku EFF, yagwinya abantu ku NFP. So kulesimo esikhona njengamanje abantu abazobenefita kakhulu i-MK Party. Ungayithathi ke kancane i-MK Party somahasha. Ungayibuki lezi inkinga lezi zabo ezikhona benhlakanhlaka benjebelwa. Kodwa bayingozi laba bantu mase sekuyiwa okhethweni. Mina nje ngibona ukuthi ukhula basazo wenza ama-political parties amaningi akabaqaphela akabagada akababuke ngesolokhoze otherwise azokhala indlela yokunqoba i-MK Party okhethweni noma into ezofike ishaya i-MK Party okhethweni lohulumeni basekhaya i1 ngizokubekisela ngenye iwadi engiyaziyo elapha kwamasha ekuthiwa kuse-46 iwadi esuke eCrossini iyojika ngakohlabisi ngase-police station 5 zonke lezo ndawo lezo i-MK Party bizoyiwina nje kahle leyo wadi leyo ngaphandle kwenkinga kodwa into ezofika bashayela lapha yazi thini bazofika bashayela into yokuthi leya wadi leya sekunabantu abawu3 abasuka ke-MK Party abafuna bayikhansela labo leyo nto leyo izoba-divide baqede and leyo nto leyo izosiza i-ANC ukuthi ilwine back ilwine lela wadi again kulo nyaka otherwise bingeke izilwine i-ANC so izinto ezoshaya i-MK Party ile nto ukuthi kuwadi eyi-1 wonke umuntu ufuna uba umholo wonke umuntu ufuna uba yikhansela akekho nje ukuthi hayi khululeka abantu awubambe mina ngizokusupport wonke umuntu ivelaabo bethi yena ngaba yikhansela.
Democratic Alliance ezenkonyane kaHaga zasesithi bhaqabhaqa wena wabona inja le-Twitter mention ngabantu abamnyama nabo omnikazi lapha emngeni ngizothiwa bafuna ukuba o-provincial deputy provincial chair la kwabaleka khona umfoka isho la inensizwa yakanongoma umfoka Mncwangu wahluleka lapha wathi uyazama kodwa no wait zokele bakhuluma isingisi abelungu bephuza iti wama so uthini wakho umbono nge-Democratic Alliance iqembu lobazi?
i-DA isazoqhubeka nokuba i-opposition party and nokuthi ibe i-minority party isazoqhubeka nje iphathe lezi indawo zwakomhlanga ney'ndawo zakomerensiye komhlathuze nabobani malezi semadolobheni. Remember ukuthi bona into abayilwela kakhulu ukuprotecta ama-privileges e-constituency yabo i-constituency yabo-ke banabantu abamhlophe. Now there is also something very interesting uboka uthenga umuzi wamahashi uma uthola imali uthenge emhlanga ma waphathwa ikhansela le-DA you feel like no man these guys are working ngisho nawe usuvota mase uhlala khona ewadini yabo uzofele nje ukuthi ngeke man yazini labantu abangabavotela ngoba bangaphatha mina nje honestly speaking even though ngingavoti kodwa ngihlale ewadini labo eliphethwe yibona ikhansela le-DA and ngiyawubona umehluko phakathi kwewadi ngahlala khona ephethwe ANC nabo ngize ngithi nje ukube ngine-right yokuvota bengingabavotela so i-DA isazoqhubeka ukuyiphatha lezi ndawo ezi-affluent ngoba badefenda ama-gains e-constituency yabo baphinde badefende nama-privileges e-constituency yabo. That's why uthola ukuthi ku-DA mabe-contesta bakwazi ukuwina umasipala wasemngeni. Uma ubuka lezi ndawo lezi abathola kakhulu kuzona mawadi le ndawo zabelungu ezamaplazi ezama-resort ezama-BNB eziyinini abekho kakhulu abantu abamnyama and then they make up most of the wards and they were able to win because kubona abelungu bayanye abantu ke noma i-constituency ye-DA abakhali ngezinto eziningi labantu laba bakhala bafuna ube namanzi bafuna kube nogesi bafuna amadolo indawo zabo zibe clean bafuna kabi nokugebenga bese ke lokho kunye sebayibonela but mawubenzele lezi zinto eziwu4 uqedile ngabo so namanje nje basazoqhubeka bawina lamawadi abawaphethe mhlambe ngabangawaluza lamawadi ako-Phoenix nakobani lawa asuthola athi asangenwe nabantu abamnyama but nje lawa lama-predominantly white wards they will still retain them
and they got away with such a harsh statement against black people but fight back besho kubelungu beshe mandiyeni kubulewa abantu abamnyama black people abasupporta i-Democratic Alliance ibe iyakhuluma leso statement ayikazibuye ichaze isho ukuthini sibulawela abafowethu lapha ePhoenix.
Ngicela ukubuyela leyo nto leyo kanje ngake ngachazela omunye umuntu ngikhumbula kahle kwaku-2008 usaqala i-load shedding ngathi we-ANC futhi uyamuntu usakhona namanje for sure uzoyithola le ngathi empethu uyabona lezi zinto enzenzayo manje abantu abamnyama at some point they would vote for i-DA abantu abamnyama at some point they would vote for any political party ezowenza ukuthi kube nemisebenzi kulwe ne-crime amadolobha abuyele esimeni sawo kube nogesi kube namanzi. Now abantu abamnyama they are prepared to ignore all those statements by DA as long as they are going to get imisebenzi kuzoba nogesi kuzoba namanzi kuye kona lento eyenzeka la eThekwini ukuthi kuvele nje untshontshe imali kamasipala nje isidana kanje. So lezo statement lezo zigqitshwa amaphutha e-ANC noma abantu abamnyama abasuke beqhawe ngoba kusiza ini ukuthi i-ANC ikutshele ukuthi i-DA yathi amandiya wasibulale right, kodwa the very same ANC leaders bahlala nawo amandiya nabelungu lapha eMhlanga, and when they steal money they go and spend it eMhlanga. They are not doing anything for amalokishi ney'ndawo zabantu abamnyama. Actually mina nawe we can agree right now ukuthi amalokishi abantu abamnyama they are worse off than they were in 1994 if you know them. So abantu they will eventually ignore all those faults. ADA okubiza abantu abamnyama, ama-members ababiza abantu abamnyama ngey'nkawu, nale scandal sase-Phoenix ne-scandal esinye, bazothi nje as long as nje iy'bhedlela zizofanishina, as long as nje iy'kole zizofanishina, as long as zizofanishina umasipala, we are going to vote for them.
For the first time, we have seen the emergency of Freedom Front Plus in townships. Nasendaweni zabantu abamnyama. What is your point on that? Do you see Freedom Front Plus making inroads endaweni zabantu?
Ngicabanga ukuthi nje lokho kubuyela kulo mbuzo engeke ngawusho lokuphendula nje ukuthi at some point abantu abamnyama they will vote for anyone as long as restore i-order, azokwakha amathuba omsebenzi, kubuyela kufanishe namadolobha. I-Freedom Front Plus uma uyibheka manje iqale ukudlondlobala after umholo wabo ethole isikhundla saka-correctional services. Wenze zonke lezi zinto ekwavele yishiwo ukuthi azenziwa kwa-correctional services ukuthi iy'boshwa azingahlali ngathi zehhotela, iy'boshwa zizenzela ukudlakwazi, iy'boshwa zibhake, iy'boshwa ziwashele, iy'boshwa azikhishwe zenziwe zonke lezo zinto. So umholo we-Freedom Front Plus ukhuluma zonke lezo zinto lezo. So abantu abanyama bathi nangu le muntu wenza lento esasivele sikhuluma ngayo. So si-ready thina ukuthi simvotele even though okhokho bakhe babulala okhokho bethu, bathatha umhlaba wethu, babe sibiza ngamakhafula. But now that these people are doing, noma they are restoring order in the country, let's vote for them.
MK, Khonto Wesizwe Party, a newly formed party, going to be contesting local government elections for the first time. What is your take? Do you think MK will do sweep up njengoba yenzile kuma national government elections la KwaZulu-Natal?
Ngicela siqale la eThekwini. I-MK eThekwini they won't be an outright winner, but i-MK party eThekwini izoba yi-largest party. They won't be majority party, but they will be the largest party. Now here is a possible scenario. Kungenzeka ukuthi i-MK i-partnerishe ne-EFF ne-NFP and other smaller political parties to form a government. But in any case, those guys don't make up 50+1 to govern. We are going to see a situation whereby iThekwini kuzophathwa i-ANC e-coalition ne-DA ne-IFP namanye amaqembu amancane athile like o-Action SA. But i-reality is that i-MK party izowenza kahle kuma-local government elections. Remember that these guys are angry and they want to prove a point ukuthi they were ngo-2024 bayiwin i-province but they were robbed. I'm sure we have just seen the statement abasikiphe manje lesi sika Ramaphosa sithi why Ramaphosa kube wena omemezela ukhetho ngoba fanele limele izwe le-ANC. So ngokwabo bathi lokho kukhombisa bona athi i-IEC is compromised. So ezinye zezinto lezo ama-rallying points abo ukuthi i-IEC is compromised and bona
but previously,
just to prove a point.
Yeah, but my predecessor Ramaphosa, I mean, Jacob Zuma used to do that when he was the president, who was always pronouncing my local government elections in the election state. Was it not the president previously? Or ngisazwakali? Or uyangizwa manje? Uyangizwa?
Hayi-ke sengizwa kahle somahashi.
Right. Umbuzo wami uthi previously kuma predecessor Ramaphosa, Babu Jacob Zuma, when he was the state president, uyena owesinika date yama local government elections. It has always been the president who pronounced the date. So what has changed? Why is MK making a fuss out of nothing?
Okay, remember ukuthi this is politics, umuntu ukhomba ugodo wehlelo lomunye umuntu kanti nakaya kwenakuye khona ukhomba uthi kodwa yena unogodo. I-argument yabo ithe kahle kahle i-date yama-elections ipronouncwa i-IEC bese igazethwa ubani uminister wakaKhoza. I-argument yabo ithi uRamaphosa jumped the gun ukuthi uvele waphuma wa-address press conference noma ama-journalist ngaphandle watshena nge-date yama-elections engakayigazethe i-IEC engakayimemezele ngoba bekufanele kube i-IEC eqala nge-statement bese upresident uyaphawula-ke ngalokho bese uyagazetha uminister kaKhoza. So i-argument yabilapho ukuthi the chain ayilandelwa ngale ndlela elandelwa ngayo. In this case kube uRamaphosa omemezele kuqala even before kumemezele i-IEC.
Kunestokfela esincane la KwaZulu Natal esisenkingeni lapha eNewcastle ekuthiwa iTeam Sugar. Currently the deputy mayor of Newcastle bathi waxoshwa kwiTeam Sugar kodwa wafakwa. Do you think intokfela ezincane njengalesiya nama-independent kuzokwenza kanjani kulama elections ezayo, ma-local government elections ezayo?
Wesoma ngasho ungayandamine intokfela kulolu khetho esiyakulona. Uyabona kukhona i-situation whereby noma khona umasipala la uzothola khona ukuthi kune-political party ene-council elilodwa. Ikhansela lelo livele be-kingmaker ligcina libe yimeya. Ngale ndlela nje intokfela eziyingozi ngayo ngoba komasipala mangabe uhanga umasipala kusuke kudingakala le vote. So avele athi lona nale vote elikhi athi mina I'm prepared ukuthi nginike ama-positions athile like o-MMC nama-portfolio but ngifuna ukuba yimeya. So ungasithathi kancane lesa stokfela lesi sikashukela le Team Sugar. Sisazobuya eNewcastle even though sobuya namakhansela angasekho maningi kangaka kodwa sona sisazobuya eNewcastle. Futhi ungagcine lapho khona stokfela okungafanele usithathe kuthiwa i-Community Freedom Party CFP sise-Dannhauser naso leso stokfela leso siyingozi sizoba neseye ukuthi ubani imeya se-Dannhauser nemeya seMajuba. Phinde kube namanye ama-stokfela agcweleke la eThekwini lawa ano-1 seats. Ungawandamani lawo ma-stokfela lawo agudi kahle. Iy'tokfela zangempela lezo ngoba kuyobe kusho ukuthi nje abanikazi bazofuna balale badlile noma kufuna ba-entertainwe la maphathi amakhulu ukuze bajabule bese babanika leyo seat. Yeah.
Mawubheka ukhetho loshaya kufa abangaki sesizokhala phela manje isibhamu sekuseduze la kiwa khona sekuyabonakala and uyazi ukuthi abantu bakithi ayikho into ebahlulayo edlula ukubekezelelana.
Hayi sisazokhala ke isibhamu kodwa ke ngeke ngibone nje abantu uma bephawula basikhomba iqembu elithile elilodwa kuthiwa ikhona kuphela abazobulalana. Actually it will be across the board ngoba remember ukuthi KwaZulu Natal sinenkinga yamathuba omsebenzi and abantu bavele bathi bangaba amakhansela babhulika overnight. So wonke umuntu uzofuna ukuba ikhansela ngoba akekho umuntu ozofuna ukudedela omunye umuntu abe abone ukuthi uma kwaba ikhansela nje within 3 weeks ungene pha ungaholi nokhola kuqala usuke unevene elikhulu usuke usuphume ku4 room unkosikazi wakho senama 10. So kuzobulawa na across the board but most of the time angeke kube ukuthi iqembu elithile libulale umunye weqembu elithile. Kuzoba yilo ukuthi nje i-comrade langaphakathi liyabona ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuba ikhansela but hey usomahasho uzomphazamisa angim-eliminate. Kuzoba across the board. Angeke kube ANC kuphela, angeke kube uMK kuphela noma ka-FP noma kubani. It will be across the board. Ngabantu ama-political parties asafe kulezi zinto zokubulalana o-Action SA no-DA nalaba abanye aba-stable but lawa wethu abamnyama nje o-ANC o-IFP o-MK hayi sazokhuluma isibhamu inkosi impela. Uma uzazi nje ufuna ukuba ikhansela uyofuna uphile njengomavuso makushaya i-weekend uyihlalele endlini uzophuma ngomsombuluko kusemsebenzini.
Uyibona i-Action SA izokwenza kanjani?
Hayi i-Action SA inkosi yami izokwenza kahle kakhulu kuma-urban centers because ine-constituency kuma-urban centers abantu aba-resonate nayo. Remember ukuthi ama-issues esuke siwavotela ku-provincial naku-national government awafani nama-issues akamasipala. So ikakhulu nje eThekwini kukhona abantu abazoriwada uzwakele bamriwadele ukuthi he was able to expose corruption yakamasipala eThekwini, and he was at the forefront in the fight against illegal immigrants or illegal immigration. He was also in the forefront in exposing corruption komasipala nakuhulumeni province. So i-Action SA izokwazi ukwathola lobo 4-5 seats komasipala abafana neTheku, uMsunduzo, Newcastle, uMhlathuze, oWadu. Esinye futhi istokfela elinye iqembu okufanele lazi ukuthi lizoyenza kahle KwaZulu Natal, ikakhulu urban centers, yila maqembu lawa azofomishwa manje engeke ngiwabize ngagama, ikakhulu lawa ahamba phambili kulezi zinto ze-illegal immigration, azoyenza kahle kakhulu.
Baba Mavuso, sesiqeda ngicela ukuthatha nje abahlanu bafake imibuzo bezwa mhlambe ukuhlaziya kwakho, sibonge nathi si-clean governance ukuthi hayi cha uyintatheli esimkantshubovu engahambisani nenkohlakalo. Mfowethu siyabonga kakhulu. South Africa needs people like you, in fact more people like you. Mfowethu ngicela ukuthatha nje abahlanu.
Akunankinga mfethu, ngibalalela
Mfowethu. Abantu angazi kusuke sekwenze njani abathatheki.
Kodwa ke mabangawabhala nje imibuzo la, ngiyayibona eminye imibuzo la, mabengabhala la comments akunankinga, ngizothatha noma yini. Yeah, even if nje
uthi uthini ngodaba lase-Bridge City?
Ngiyambona uthwanelo sefollow, ngiyambona udaba lase-Bridge City sengithembe uminister waka-Public Works ukuthi uzodila nalo. Remember ukuthi la i-project yase-Bridge City, I mean i-project yase-Bridge City project kahulumeni, kwaba ne-private sector nohulumeni, so le nto le idinga u-Public Works ukuthi a-investigate kwenzakalani lapho. Sesithembe yena-ke uDean McPherson ukuthi asilungisele lo daba lola, futhi-ke sesithembe yena uDean McPherson ukuthi asilungisele lo daba lwelokhunja lwe-EPWP eThekwini naseMsunduzi. Uzokhumbula ukuthi kunama-allegations of ukuthi eThekwini kune-staff se-ANC ku-region esiholelwa under imali ye-EPWP, kodwa asisebenzi amasipala but sifuka ama-ofisi e-ANC e-Commercial City nawasemsundu eMgungundlovu. So udaba lolo abangalungisa lo.
Okay, uthini ngodaba laseMpendle?
Cha, udaba laseMpendle bafethu selwehlulile i-ANC, futhi ngicabanga ukuthi nayo isi-realize ukuthi sebehlulekile, so indaba sebayenza manje sebamincele nje ukuthi bawubambe lo mkhandlu kuze kube uNovember 4 kuvotwe kabusha kuyima beqala bebeka abantu babo. Remember ukuthi lapha eMpendle mawukuthi akhumbula kahle somahashi, i-ANC yakhipha ilist ukuthi nivotela ubani abe yimeya, ubani abe yikhansela. Afika lamakhansela lapha ivotelela abantu babo bayithulela phansi, kwaphela kanjalo. And i-ANC yabona ukuthi manje mayengathi yaba recalla kuyiwa kuma-by-elections. Remember ukuthi futhi akusayiwa ama-by-elections manje. You know ukuthi kusuka manje awusakwazi ukurecall ikhansela noma ngenza yini usuyohlala nalo uzoshawa November 4. So ngicabanga ukuthi they've already ANC they've surrendered, sebayazi ukuthi ayile issue le sebehlulile, sebawuze bayibone after November 5 mase phuma ama results aseMpendle ukuthi kuyini ubani nobani baqale kabusha uhulumeni.
Imall eyakhiwa eNtuzu Mamavuso, bathi awusondele kwimall eyakhiwa eNtuzu Mamavuso kwanozaza i-ANC ifakana yodwa emsebenzini.
Oh okay, cha ngiyayibona le mall ingakanozaza ngake-engine isiqalile nje impela. Akhona vele ama-allegations ukuthi i-ANC ifakana yodwa, kodwa besingakabi nabo ubufakazi obubambekayo. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi somasho yalikhumbula i-bridge laseNtuzu elake labhidlika ey'khukhula za-2022. Lele selakhiwe kuthiwa i-temporal likhona kwamanje. Abantu abasebenza kule mall, those are the same people ababesebenza lapha ababefakwe ikhansela le-ANC. So kodwa-ke ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba le project kamasipala ne-private developer kusho ukuthi ibona kufanele badile naleyo issue.
Inkohlakala abantu abafuna ukuyiyeka. Uyabona yini tender system? Okay, what about udaba lase-Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma municipality?
Oh okay, ngicabanga ukuthi olunye udaba lolo all sensitive. Yakhumbula ukuthi uMM wakhona bamsuspendile ngoba bathi wakhuluma wayephendulana nomuntu ku social media about izinto ezisensitive.
Basho mina bathi wayephendulana nami. Basho mina.
angibonanga nokuthi ayiphendulana nawe mina.
Basho mina and I will stand by this ibona abanginiki information ngambuza waphendula, which is wrong. Mina was given an information because by law umuntu mawungitshela ukuthi uyeba babethe yena nomeya bebimali kamasipala, so I called him to ask him about that. Waphendula lokho.
Kodwa ke isho lapha ipolitical wona somahashi ukhumbula ukuthi vele uMM babevele bengasamfundi ngoba angishathi ukuthi uMM waqala waba ikhansela lapha before abe uMM, so ikhona lento yokuthi vele kukhona abavele bengamfuni ikhansela. Ngicabanga leyo issue leyo ipolitically bazodila nayo, kodwa mangibuka I don't think ukuthi uMM sazobuyela emsebenzini. Ngicabanga ukuthi khona abantu abazomkhipha le council ezongena after November 4. Ngicabanga izovota im-buy out ifake municipal manager. Usehleli phela lo municipal manager lapha, I think usuphelile mhlawumbe leveneze ehlelile ya position. That's why uma ukhuluma naye ngoba nami I once interacted with him, akhulisi ukuthi indlela ayiconducta ngayo, he believes ukuthi i-50 yakhe leya, no one should question him about izinto ezenzeka khona.
Okay, siqale la abugcina laba sawubona wezwide uyaphila.
Awu Zwide insizwa kaMasha.
Hawu niyaphila bafowethu.
Siyaphila mfowethu, uyaphila?
Hayi sibonge nje, hayi ngokusihlaziyela kahle mfowethu nje okwama kukuningi ukubonga.
Awu ngiyangithusa mfowethu ukuthi ngabonga umuntu ANC. I expected ukuthi nje you'll throw some jabs and propaganda there and there. Uyaphila kodwa mfowethu?
Hayi siyaphila. Hayi. Uyabona ukulalela mina ngiyakholelwa ukuthi uyafunda okuthile, uyabona. Hayi no siyabonga nje bafethu. Uyazi ngihlezi ngilalele nje kakhulu.
Hawu siyabonga kakhulu Zwide, inkosi kubusisa.
Kodwa kuyasho ukuthi Zwide you started before usebenzela i-political party, ngoba uyazi ukuthi ka-journalism iskile esikhulu ukulalela even if into ungayithandi noma kukhuluma umuntu ongamthandi, but you listen and take points.
Hayi njalo mfowethu, siyabonga.
Zwide
Siyabonga kakhulu Zwide. Wecela impilo.
Baba Mbomvu, kuyaphileka baba?
Singaneno ninjani nina?
Sikhona nathi, ngibingelele kwa uMavuso.
Mfowethu ngiyaphila, even though ungakwazi pronounce isibongo sakho kade, kodwa I think it's Letsowa.
Yes, Letsowa, yes Mavuso. No baba, kukubukeka ngi-ANC impela ngela Friday.
Yes.
But umuntu ufisa ukubonga kakhulu ukuhlaziya kwakho. Kodwa umbuzo enginawo ngokubuka kwakho baba Mavuso yilowo ukuthi njengoba kubonakala i-ANC ibhizi ngokuzirenewa kabusha, sibonile ke unobhala jikelele announce amalokhuzana i-drug challenge esikhashana PTT, namhlanje bememezela ngokusemthethweni ama-RTTs ukuthi lokho angeke mhlambe kwenze umehluko embuthweni, mhlambe ibonakala yenza kangcono. Ngiyabonga kakhulu amavuko.
Ngiyagcina nje ngiyasesa.
Ngithi mhlawumbe ukukhethwa kwe-structure ezintsha zama-region ama-RTT nama-PTT kwi-province ngokunjalo angeke mhlawumbe sibone i-ANC mhlawumbe lezi structure zifukula zilekelela lapha nalapha, sibheke kulolu khetho esibheke kulona.
Mfethu kuzoyisiza kakhulu i-ANC actually benze into enhle ukuthi
kancane baba Mavuso, kancane mfethu sawubona wezweni yeah right. Usuqedile but unokhuluma Mavuso, ngicela ubathathe nje bonke, cela sala ubathatha bonke uphendule ubaphendula bonke.
Kodwa bengicela ukusale ngiqhubeka nomfowethu ucela impilo.
Okay.
Cha wemfethu ucela impilo, ngithande kakhulu mina lento ukuthi i-ANC esikhundleni sokuthi ihlalise ama-regional conferences ivele i-appointe ama-interim structures. Uyazi ukuthi isizakala leyo nto leyo, wonke umuntu uzofocus ekhampenini, wonke umuntu uzofocus ekhampenini iphathi yakhe ethi iwine iwadi, iwine nomasipala. Ama-elections asawubonakala after lokho. I-risk yokuthi uyise ama-structures akanjena ku-elective conference bezoba divided kakhulu. Khumbula ukuthi khona abahamba nemali abayiphatha bayifaka emabhuthini bahambe bathenga ama-branch, so laba bebezodliwa ku-elective conference bumba imlomo bangahamba ngayo ko campaign. So akekho manje umuntu ozothi mina ngaroja ku conference so ngeke ngenze campaign. Wonke umuntu umelelekile ku interim structure unomuntu amsupportayo ukhona lapha wonke umuntu uzohamba ucampaign. So into enhle leyo kuzoyisiza kakhulu lo ANC ikakhulu ku region efana naseThekwini. Khumbula ukuthi eThekwini iANC ayikakafi kakhulu ifile kona kwezinye indawo efana noMashi nona kodwa ayikakafi kakhulu endaweni efana noMlazi noMaphutha noAdams nalezi ezinye indawo lapha eMathulini. So kuzoyisiza kakhulu kodwa kukhona indawo la ngibona khona ukuthi iANC ngeke kuyisizelo kwama structures kakhulu. Indawo efana nako uMkhanyakude angeke kuyisize kakhulu ngoba ama issues azobe evotelwa abantu baseMkhanyakude awu2 bazobe bevotela i-issue yamanzi baphinde bavotele i-issue yale crime eyenzeka between Mozambique and South Africa. So ngibona lapho bangasizakala ngoba uhulumeni weNC uhlulekile ukwa-addressa lawo ma-issues lawo ikakhulu ngoba uzokhumbula ukuthi ngenkathi kukhishwa i-IFP eMkhanyakude sasinethemba sonke ukuthi ozongena ngenkathi kuseyisikhathi soJeff Vilane sasithemba ukuthi bathi bazongena bazove balungisa indaba amanzi bafike nabo bahluleka. So kuzobe kuvotelwa i-issue yamanzi eMkhanyakude ne-issue yobugebengu.
Okay, sibonge. Ngicela laba ke ubathathe bonke usuvala usubaphendula bonke. Sawubona Butsweli. Butsweli. Paga. Yaphila paga.
Yabo ngiyaphila Mhlonishwa ngiyaphila kakhulu siyabonga kakhulu Mbomvu ngibingelele bakwethu sibonge Mhlonishwa Mavuso umsebenzi omuhle osenzela wona usihlaziyela ipolitiki hayi cha ngezwakala baba kodwa nginombuzo
Mfowethu ungakabuzi yazi ukuthi baba Mavuso team mayisiqalile iwina ithandwe noma lo baba ngathi ngiyamazi kade umuntu awundi futhi usejikile seyibhakabhaka
hayi lutho umuntu udlala ngami masomahashi uyadlala ngami
mfowethu
Baba Mavuso sibonga nje kodwa ke nginombuzo engazi noma unayo ulwazi lawo lokuthi icorruption idla lubi la eThekwini sinama EPWP abafakwa amakhansela kaKhongolose abaningi bahlela emakhaya abasebenzi emalokishini bahlela emakhaya bahola babhalisiwe ka EPWP kodwa abayi emsebenzini ba-enjoya imali abayihola every month. Lokho ave kukubi sibona impela bakwenza phambi kwethu sibhekile ukuthi njengoba i-service delivery ngenziwa emphakathini ababonakala emphakathini lama EPWP kodwa bayahola bahlala emakhaya bahola phambi kwethu and then bayacoma futhi ngalokho they enjoy it igcwele kakhulu la emalokishini angazi noma unalo ulwazi lwalokho Baba Mavuso.
Ngicela baphendule sibaphendula bonke.
Okay.
Baba Umyaka.
Baba.
Uyaphila?
Sanibona. Niyaphila baba.
Uyi-Triple K wena uthe i-Triple K nani baba uMavuso?
Kune-Triple K ne-AU kodwa lena ngibona ungazi ukuthi i-AU le.
Ya,
hayi mina ngicabele ngatha mina ngingatha. Angazi ukuthi lezi nenikhuluma ngazi angizazi. Cha, isicela ukuthi nje sibonge baba uMbovu ngokusilethela ubaba Mavuso siyathokoza kakhulu baba Mavuso ukusihlazela kodwa ke noma okwami engizokubuza kuseceleni engicela nje ukubuza. Mhlambe ngokubuka mhlambe kwababa Mavuso omasipala abaphethwe yi-IFP ngabe izokwazi ukubagcina and futhi umasipala onjengeTheku la engaphethe khona mhlawumbe uyibuya iperformance yakhona izohamba kanjani?
Okay, thank you.
Siyabonga.
Sengabathatha bobabili.
Bathatha.
Okay. Ngicela uqala ngalensizwa yakwamyaka nge-IFP kwamasipala ezobathatha nengeke izibathathe ngicela ukukhuluma iqiniso njengomndefa it will take a miracle mfowethu ukuthi i-IFP retain umasipala wasothukela It will be a miracle if they do. It will also be a miracle if they retain umasipala waseNewcastle. Ziwu-2 izathu ezenza ngisho njalo mfowethu. Othuwela bahlulekile bancama kule udaba lwamanzi. Even though bazama but umonakalo omkhulu kakhulu abawufica lapha. Remember ukuthi umonakalo waqala ngo-2016 lona. Waze uhulumeni waqala ku-act around 2018 2019. So bahlulekile uku-address issue yamanzi. Ngiwumuntu ke mina mfowethu okhuluma nabantu nje time and again mangihamba nje endaweni kukhona umuntu owake wangitshena ezakheni engangimbona khona wangitshena ukuthi iANC yayiwesa impela entshontsha yenza yonke into othukela kodwa at least amanzi babenza sure ukuthi akhona edolobheni naselokishini washo ukuthi ande-IFP cha uDisman ngaya eNewcastle ngelinye ilanga ngangilele nje kwelinye ihhotela semkhuluma nomuntu ngakhona wangitshena lo mlungu ukuthi they were hoping ukuthi i-IFP was going to do better than the ANC kodwa kwangazi ukuthi kuvele kwaba wesi idolobha livele labola mina ke namfowethu umyaka siyazi ukuthi iNewcastle KwaZulu Natal was the cleanest town they were winning ama-awards for that and then bahluleka and then ngithola sibele kumasipala abanjengomasipala wasophongolo umasipala wasophongolo udynamic kakhulu angeke ngisho ukuthi i-IFP izoluza noma cha kodwa there won't be an outright winner kumasipala wasophongolo ngeke futhi kube ne-outright winner kumasipala wasendumeni okuyidani kodwa umasipala engaziyo ukuthi i-IFP izoba retainer overwhelmingly umasipala wasenkandla umasipala wasemthonjaneni umasipala wasemsinga umasipala wasolundi bese kuba umasipala wasejozini ngineshow kuloko I think mangibuka ama-figures akhona nama-public sentiment ngingasho ukuthi bazowina umasipala wasemhlathuze angeke i-IFP iwine outright ngicabanga ukuthi izibuyele kupower izodependa ku-coalition yayo ekhona njengamanje ne-DA umasipala wase-Alfred Duma okuyi-Lady Smith nakhona there won't be an outright winner uma ukuthi bazobuya ngokuthi babe ne-coalition ne-DA namanye ama-political parties bese uyakhumbula-ke mnumzana umyaka ukuthi kukhona vele iy'nkulumo ey'qhubekayo phakathi kwama-GNU nama-GPU partners ukuthi bafuna i-arrangement ye-GNU ne-GPU extendwe iye nakumasipala kube ne-GNU that's why eThekwini kunenkulumo ethi i-ANC kuthiwa iphakamisa amasokisi ukuze izokwazi ukuthi iwine ama-city isebenze ne-DA ne-IFP namanye amaqembu amancane because the aim is to ensure ukuthi i-MK ne-EFF abafuna ingene ku-government waseThekwini ngoba bathi they are unstable and unpredictable. Bese sengibuyela kumasipala wasekwaNongoma kuzoba i-contest ezoba khona between i-IFP ne-MK ne-NFP i-strong NFP kwaNongoma ungayithathi kancane nakhona kanjalo kuzoba ne-contest efanayo naseDumbe ebaqulusini ngenzeke i-ANC iwine mfowethu masikhuluma iqiniso idolobha lase-Vryheid livele labola under i-IFP sizokhumbula nje ukuthi before siye ku-long weekend last week i-DA ne-EFF ne-ANC bablokha umasipala wasebaqulusini oholwa yimeya i-IFP ufuna ukugicebeza izikhulu ngamabonus mabebuza ukuthi nibagicabeza ngaliphi amabonus kwangabi khona inkulumo ekhona wase yabona ukuthi i-IFP isiqale i-system of patronage ngicela ke mfowethu futhi enye into engingacwayisa ngayo uyayibona ipower iyi-cash kukhona nento e-Africa ekuthiwa i-resource cash ukuthi manje naba nama-minerals kusuke sekuyi-cash leyo ngoba nisuke senziwa le-power iyi-cash i-IFP ngenkathi ma-opposition benches bomasipala KwaZulu Natal naseprovinsini it was a very united party and kwakune-order ne-line of command ihlonishwa ukuthi upresident usethe umntwana usethe but mawubona nje inele nje i-IFP kungena kupower ngo-2021 ikakhulu kulabo umasipala laba abakhulu abafana noMhlathuze oNewcastle obani aqala phansi amakhempu ngoba kubangwa ini sekubangwa lento ukuthi wonke umuntu ufuna ukusondela eduze kwale bhodo eliqonisayo kuzoyishaya ke i-IFP lokho mangabe engakulungisi nje njengamanje kodwa ke mfethu iqiniso lithi cha i-IFP isazoqhubeka nje yona ibe khona even though nayo inenkinga zayicishe efane nezaka-ANC izoba wina abanye amasipala outright abanye izorely kuma-coalition partners abanye babo izofela ibaluze nje outright baye ku-ANC noma ku-MK ngicela ukuthatha ubhakabhaka ngizochema kuleli bhakabhaka ngoba nami ngibhakabhaka mfowethu umbuzo obuzayo ngohlakala i-PWP iqiniso ngingathi nje 2 weeks ago uminister waka Public Works enationally uDean McPherson nowaka Public Works eprovincini uMartin Meyer bebene press conference emhlanga la sasikhona khona bayikhipha i-report eshoyo ukuthi kwaba ne-corruption khona abantu abahola bahlele ekhaya so khumbula ukuthi i-PWP ine threshold ukuthi abantu bahola 12,000 bese kuyathethwa ke mhlambe you take home around 8,000 9,000 but kukhona abantu abebehola from the budget ya PWP uthola ukuthi uhola 40,000 or 50,000 plus allowances kodwa bengasebenzi I know someone nje ojwayele ukuboss amafeda kwamatshwaleni ukuthi yena uzohola even though abanye abasebenzi behlele emakhaya I think that person was getting paid around 53,000 so i-corruption ekhona leyo uminister ke uMcPherson no Martin Meyer sebayireportile leyo case le parliament sebayireportena kuma Hawks sebacele no president ke ukuthi kube ne proclamation ezwenze SIU ukuthi ingenele lo ndaba. Remember ukuthi i-abuse i-PWP mfethu akuyona i-abuse of the system noma of the fund only in eThekwini. The fund is being abused across the country. Kukhona nje story ngasilandela kumasipala wase-Free State whereby they abused the budget yakhona within 6 months. Mase sekulandelwa they found that if budget yakhona was used to fund ama-regions e-ANC in the Free State. So akuyona into entsha leyo sesithembe nje kona ukuthi laba abakhona kupower ama-GNU partners like i-EDA they will fight this matter up until kube ne-justice. Remember ukuthi i-PWP mabefando i-department noma umasipala ibanika imali iba ne-timeline ukuthi sizofanda abantu abawu-300 noma abawu-400 and then mawubaholela u-15,000 siyazi ukuthi uzobaqasha 3 years only to find ukuthi because mali noma the system is being abused bese sekuba nesimo lapho nithola ukuthi sebasebenza unyaka noma 9 months bese kuthiwa isiphelile imali njengala eThekwini nje abanye bathi basenama contracts kodwa wathi isiphelile imali bangabuthela umsebenzi ilapho inkinga mfethu corruption ekhona leyo iyona ke into ezofanele isukunyelwe phezulu ikakhulu ama-political parties that are within the government.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu kwintatheli esimkantshubovu ubaba uMavuso. Masivala baba Mavuso siphinde siqwashise kakhulukazi kubantu besilisa abahlaselwa isifo somdlavuza mfowethu kuthiwa baba Mavuso umuntu wesilisa afanele alale achame kahlanu evikini uyakwazi lo
ucwaningo olukhona lolo ulubeni I mean lo dokotela so angeke siliphikise
mfowethu mhlambe kufanele sibathole nabo dokotela siyafisa ukuthi abantu bakithi nako lo ngoba izifo ebesizibona kwezabelungu zifikile kubantu so ke kufanele sigade abesimame kwathiwa kufanele bayobheka i-breast cancer umuntu emezwe ilampu la kungaze konakale kakhulu thina besilisa bathi into ebalekile ukuchama kahlanu evikini so ke nawe you are a person of influence it is important ukuthi silishumayeze abafundile livangeli ukuthi abantu abaphephe nanokuthi ke baba Mavuso ngingazi njoba uke washo ukuthi yahola ngakubona ugaxa isikhwanyana la lezi khwanyana egaqwa obhuti ezihleze zinemali mfowethu asinaka amakhosikazi ethu bafowethu le yokuba amasoka uyayibona insizwa kaMsele lapha iyajuluka ukuthi zonke into ngingahleze ngiqula zonke ngithwale nojabula
cha mina mfethu isikhathi mina ngiloyal inkosikazi wami oyedwa ngoba nomsebenzi wami ubusy so angicabanga ukuthi nje sengaphinde kube naso i-attention yomunye umuntu ngaphandle kwezingane nonkosikazi wami
mfowethu siyabonga kakhulu kwintatheli esimkantsha ubovu ubaba umfoka Mavuso usihle siyabonga siyophinda sicele ngelinye ilanga sekuyiso leso sikhathi sokuthi kunyakazwe manje siyokhethweni mhla ka4 November sekushiwo ukuthi iqombe zofishi ziyaphela abantu babeke ikhiye nemoto
kahle nje mfethu into engicabangayo ukuthi nje mhlawumbe isikhathi mase sivuma nje njalo ngefortnight sibe nje nohlelo kanje njengoba sesiya kuma elections analyze sibuka izinto nabantu basibuze bangasabi abantu ukusibuza noma yini ngoba thina asiyithathi izinto personally silalela nje ukuthi even if singavumelani nawe but sizokulalela so ngicabanga ukuthi platform efanele sibe nayo lena njalo nje every fortnight sihlale nabantu kube yifaka
siyabonga baba Mavuso inkosi ikubusise siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu ube ne weekend enhle ahead.
Ngiyabonga mfowethu phila.
Yeah. Sibonge nakubalaleli be-Clean Governance emakhaya. Siyabonga kakhulu abantu bakithi. Sizocela ukuthi sesiyohlangana futhi ngokulandelayo. uNkulunkulu abe nani nibe ne-weekend enhle. Bafowethu nina besilisa uchame kangaki? Uchame kahlanu evikini. Kusho ukuthi you must ejaculate. Ulale nomuntu wesifazane. Noma kusebenzisa uvaselina ukuthi phela ngikhuluma namadoda asekhulile izingane ngikhuluma nazo. Usibalekela i-prostate cancer uphinde futhi kanye ngonyaka uyikohlolwa lapha kumahala eklinikhi yangakini yahulumeni bakuhlole kuthiwa ke ngezwe kuthiwa kunzima ngoba kuthiwa kugophozwa ngomno la ngemva ayikho ke indoda yongifaka umnenqeni mina dadewethu kababa ngeke izenzeke leyo nto so ngathi ngincamela kwalo ukuthi umuntu akaqinisela kulo 5 times a week aloku eshalo 5 times a week bafowethu awushawa 5 times a week iqhama 5 asisho ukuthi sipromote ucansi sipromote ukuphila kanjalo nomama babheka amalampu ngazi kuthiwa yini okunye cancer yesibeletho kwashiwo nje asilwisaneni nomdlavuza zingane zakwethu siyabona nala kuma social media pages baningi